Hey, hey, Smiley. Hey, Smiley. Hey, Smiley face. Can you smile for Daddy? Smile for Daddy. Oh, smiley face. Smiley, 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 smiley. Oh. You're in a good mood, huh? Yeah. Good mood? Ooh. Oh. Oh. So what do you want to do today? What do you want to do today with Daddy? You want to play? You want to play with Daddy? Yeah? Huh? Now, why are you sticking your tongue out? Why are you sticking your tongue out? That's not nice. That's not nice. You got Julie. Julie, Julie, Julie. Oh, there's that. Hi, Munchkin. Hi, my little muffin. Hi. Hi. Me and you get to hang out all day today. You know that? All day today. We're gonna play and read books and take a nap. Huh. You wanna take a nap with Daddy later on? Yeah? Yeah? Maybe after our nap, we could play some more. Yeah? Say hi to the camera. Hi, camera. Hi. My name is Sophia Isabel. And I'm cute. And I'm cute, aren't I? No. No. Look at that nose. What happened to your nose? What happened to that nose? It's gone. It's gone. Oh, I don't know what happened to that nose. Hey, don't stick your tongue at me. Hey, that's not nice. Just because you're losing your nose, it doesn't mean that you could be a meanie. Yeah, your cheeks are getting bigger, but your nose is getting smaller. What are we gonna do about that? Yeah, you're gonna have a Filipino nose. You want a Filipino nose? Huh? No? I know. I know. Well, hopefully, your nose will grow out, and we won't have to worry about it. Right? High five? High five? Okay. Do you want to say hi to Lola? Say hi, Lola. What else do you want to say to the camera? Since you're in such a good mood. Huh? Want some Coke? Or chocolate? No? No? Oh.